angle between two planes. Now this is type 2. Now finding equation of a plane through a given point and perpendicular to two given planes. Now let's write first of all what the formula is now. The equation of a plane passing through a given point, that is vector A, and perpendicular to two given planes, and the equations of the planes be vector r dot vector n1 is equal to d1 and vector r dot vector n2 is equal to d2 is given by, now it is given by vector r minus vector a dot vector n1 cross vector n2, cross product of vector n1 and vector n2, or we can write this as vector r dot vector n1 cross vector n2 is equal to vector a dot vector n1 cross vector n2. So this is the vector form for equation of a plane passing through a given point. Given point is vector a and perpendicular to two given planes. When it is perpendicular to the planes, it means we have to find n1 and n2, okay, in the cross product, n1 cross n2. Now algorithm approach. Now step 1. Now step 1 is obtain the position vectors of the given plane, of the given point, not plane, of the given point, say vector A. Obtain the position vector of the given point, say vector A. Step 2, obtain normal vectors to two planes let the normal vector be vector n1 and vector n2. From the two planes we can get n1 and n2. We have to identify them. Now step number 3, compute vector n is equal to vector n1 cross vector n2. First of all compute this part, okay. And step 4 is write the equation of required plane as, now equation can be written as either this one or this one, okay. So write the equation of the required plane as vector r minus vector a with dot product for vector n1 cross vector n2 is equal to 0, or vector r dot vector n1 cross vector n2 is equal to vector a dot vector n1 cross vector n2, and solve. So these are the 4 basic steps which we have to follow while evaluating the problem.